Hello everyone and welcome to Network Labs. Today in this video, I will share some of the basic configurations using a Juniper router. Let us start by restoring the router to factory default. Upon boot up, connect to the router via console. Log into the router using the initial account, which is root and without a password. Upon login, type CLI to enter the operational mode. Then type the command request system 0eyes. This command will wipe out all the existing configurations if the router has been used or configured. After factory default, the router will reboot automatically. Upon boot up, you can see the world amnesiac, which means it was 0eyes or factory default setting. Click Enter and the login prompts. Enter the default credentials. Upon login, you can see root followed by @ and %, which called the free BSD mode. Type CLI to enter the JUNOS operational mode. In operational mode, you can see the user followed by the greater than symbol. Here, we can conduct basic commands like show, ping, or traceroute, and other JUNOS CLI commands. To enter the configuration or edit mode, type configure, then enter. You can notice the edit within the brackets, which tells us that we are in the edit mode or indicates the location. For example, type Edit Interfaces and then enter. Now we are under the Edit Interfaces. Type Exit or Up to move up by one tier or location. Type Top to move up on the top tier or top configuration mode. Now let us start and configure some of the basic configurations. First, set up the root password. JUNOS will not allow saving any configuration without setting the root password first. For example, set the host name and then commit. As you can see, the commit is not successful. Go to Edit System. Type Set Root Authentication, then plain text password. Here, even if the password is plain, JUNOS will not display it in plain text. Next, set the router name. Under Edit System, type Set Host Name followed by the desired router name. Now, commit is successful. Type commit and quit. This will commit the configuration and go back to the operational mode. Set the domain name. Next, configure a username and password. Go to Edit System again. Type Set Login User followed by the username. then class to define the privilege level. Choose superuser, then plain text password. Click Enter, then type the password. Enable SSH for remote management. Under the system, go to Edit Services. Then set SSH. Next, enable SNMP services. Under the configuration mode, type set SNMP, followed by community. Then the name. Then the authorization is read write. Use SNMP version 2 for now. Verify the configuration. Then commit. Configure the NTP server. Use Google NTP address for now. Let us proceed to interface configuration. Here, let us configure the interface facing the cloud or management connected to my computer's network. Go to Edit Interfaces. Edit the physical interface. Set or edit the unit, which is a logical interface in JUNOS. This can be any number, but it is a good practice to start with 0. The same output if it is configured directly under the Edit or Configuration mode. Let us continue the interface configuration. Under Unit 0, set the address family. There are other options, but we will use iNet for now to configure the IPv4 address. Set the assigned IPv4 address. In JUNOS, only / or CIDR notation is accepted. Type show or show followed by the pipe symbol, then display set to display the configurations. One more thing. To set the interface description, follow this syntax. Type set description followed by double apostrophe, then open bracket. Input the description, then close bracket and double apostrophe again. This is required if the description is not a single word or with spacing. Type Show Interfaces description. This is to display the interfaces with descriptions. Then Show Interfaces terse. This is to display the physical and logical interfaces with additional details. You can also append a pipe symbol and type match, followed by a specific keyword or pattern. This can be used to filter the output of a show command. In Juniper interfaces, one or multiple IP addresses can be configured. Now let us test the services like SSH, SNMP, and NTP. First, ping the router from my laptop. Ping is successful. Then connect remotely via SSH using the configured username and password. SSH is successful. Next is to check the SNMP services. Open the SNMP server. Input the client's or router's IP address, then the SNMP version, SNMP port and community. SNMP is also working. Then NTP status. I hope that this is informative to you, and thank you for watching.